Hey, what is up, guys? So, in the last video, you learned about the continue statement and how it's useful. So, we did some programs with the continue statement, and yeah, in this video, we will be looking into the break statement. So, yeah, let's get started. So, for the break, we use this keyword break, and then what it does is basically it just forcefully exits the loop. So, there are two ways to end the loop. Either you wait until all the iterations are over, or second, what you can do, you can use break, and what it's gonna do is that it won't wait for the loop to complete the cycle. It's gonna just end it wherever it finds the break. Okay, so let's do a simple program. So let's say we ask from the user to enter an integer input, enter a number. Okay, now let's run a for loop with I in range, and let's run it this many times. And now what we want to do, so if, okay, if I is divisible by 5, okay, if this is the case, so what we want to do, we want to just break the loop. Okay, divided by 5, we want to just break the loop. And we need to be careful more is that and I cannot be equal to 0, because if I is equal to 0, so 0 is divisible by any number. So basically we do not want that. So except 0, whatever number is divisible by 5, if this gets satisfied, so the loop's gonna break. So what's gonna happen, we're gonna break it. Okay, or else what we want to do, if that's not the case, we will just print out the value of I. Okay, let's run. Okay, it does not have this, and I should use brackets. Alright, now let's run. First it asks for the number, let's say 8, and when you run it says 0 1 2 3 4, and then when it gets to 5, this if condition gets executed, which says break, and then the loop ends. So this loop should have run 8 number of times, but since we used this break statement, it just forcefully exited when this condition was satisfied. Okay, let's do another simple program. Let's say if, and then I is divisible by 2. Let's say if this is the case, if it's divisible by 2, I'm going to print I, I'm going to print I, oh no, I'm going to print this will break now, and then we want to break it. Okay, and we also want to include saying and we do not want I to be equal to 0. Okay, or else what do we want, print saying loop is running. Okay, let's see, let's say we are at 10, loop is running, loop is running, this will break now, and then this ends. So the loop should have run 10 times, but since we have this, so whenever first time it has a I has a value of 0, so this does not get satisfied, so it comes to the else statement, it says okay, loop is running. Next time the loop runs, I has a value 1, so it runs again, and it does not satisfy this. But the third time when I has a value of 2, so this time this statement gets satisfied, which says I has to be divisible by 2, and which I is, and then I should not be equal to 0, which I definitely is not. So it says print this will break now, and then it breaks. So yeah guys, that's it for the break statement. So hope you guys learned something from this. So from the next video we will start a mini series where we will be doing some brain teasers, some simple logical programs that will enhance our programming skills. So yeah, thanks for watching.